How y'all doing? So today we're gonna make the pineapple or traditional Jamaican pineapple ginger and turmeric drink. So I originally found this recipe off of the Yardie Belly TV channel on YouTube. So we're actually gonna make it today. Alright, so let's get started. So the ingredients needed for this, I have a pineapple. I'm hurrying and use it before it goes bad. I have my ginger. Definitely don't want to be stingy on that. You have your turmeric. You have your lime and your orange, which will be used at the end. And then I have my raw sugar. So once this part, you shave it on the outside, you cut it in half, and then you actually cut out this middle part right here. So that's going in there as well. Alright, just a little middle section. So the inside of the pineapple is going in there as well. Alright, while the water is warm, because we're going to boil this, but as it's warming up, I'm going to put all of the pineapple pieces that we shaved off. All of that's going in the water. Yep, the whole thing. Again, while it's warming up, it is going to start boiling, but we could be cutting our ginger and turmeric. So here we have the turmeric. We're just going to peel it, and we're going to chop it into pieces. I had to smell it. It smells pretty good. It smells like a root, actually. We're going to chop that up, and I'm only going to use a little bit of this in my water and use powder for the rest. And here I'm going to do the same thing with the ginger. And I'm actually going to use the scraps as well. I'm going to use everything since I'm going to strain it anyway at the end of its boil. So as you can see, oh, I got too close. I got my ginger and my turmeric. I'm putting all the scraps in there as well. It smells so good. I'm going to try to make some candy out of that later on. But I have the turmeric. See those little pieces? I'm also going to put some turmeric powder. It's not even boiling yet, so I'm going to let that boil. And I'm going to be cutting up and juicing the lime and the orange. So here I'm going to actually juice the lime and oranges. I'm just going to roll them a little bit, this way to get them a little juicier. Same thing, that one's already kind of soft. So once you're done, this is actually how much 2 lime and 1 orange actually makes. And I kept the pulp because I actually like that. Alright. Here we actually going to strain the pineapple and ginger and turmeric so we don't have all those pieces in our juice. This is easier for me to store and take if I need to go somewhere. And then it also tastes better served cold. Alright, just to insert for those that had children who are picky eaters, this is probably the pickiest eater in the house. So Cam, how did you like the pineapple drink?
I liked it pretty good, and I liked because it had it was sweet and had
Did you taste the ginger?
No, I didn't taste anything but like the pineapple, a little bit of limes and oranges.
But you didn't taste the ginger or the turmeric? You probably don't know what it tastes like. You like ginger ale?
Yeah.
So that was, some of that was in there. Not ginger ale, but the ginger. Alright, but you liked it. So that's all that matters. Alright.